What's up, cooks? It's Wednesday. Today, we're actually having Taco Tuesday on Wednesday. A bunch of people in my Facebook group a few months ago got one of these Taco Tuesday Lazy Susan's taco bar. This is from Nostalgia. I got one, but then we moved and I couldn't use it, so now we're going to use it for the first time on What's Up Wednesday. We're going to cook up some tacos. We're going to put them in this, and we're going to have us a fiesta. So join me. It's Wednesday, and it's time for Taco Tuesday. Okay, let's get the Taco Tuesday out of the box. Taco Tuesday on Wednesday? This thing is kind of cute. I mean, obviously you don't need anything like this to actually have tacos, but if you have kids and you want to have a good time on a Tuesday, you can Taco Tuesday it, right? So this has, it has a manual. It has some kind of sticks. I don't know what those are for. So it has this base. This is your Lazy Susan. Here's your Taco Tuesday. This is pretty cool. So you have containers in here for all your various food and topping choices. I think these are supposed to be like this, right? And it also comes with like a little slow cooker looking thing that actually goes, you put the slow cooker here. So after we played around with this for a little bit, you tuck the cord underneath here, and there's some little slots that it comes out. We have it coming out of this one. So here's your cord. And then so you have your little Taco Tuesday warmer here. You're gonna put on your Taco Tuesday tray that moves around here like that. And we got our Taco Tuesday. So you can put your beans in here. You can put meat. We're gonna put our meat in here. And it's got a little lid on it. So it also comes with these little taco holders. So you can put your tacos in here. You can put some salsa in here, whatever you want. And it comes with 4 of these little taco holders. So we're gonna wash all this up. I'm gonna get my ingredients out. We're gonna make our meat and we're gonna fill this and we're gonna have us some tacos on Wednesday. Okay, so let's make some tacos here. We got some onion. Woo! And we're just gonna saute this until it's translucent. Okay, our onions are looking really good. They're smelling really good. And I'm just gonna be using ground turkey. You can use turkey or beef or chicken or whatever you wanna use. This is from my local club store. It came in a package. So we're gonna saute this up, scrambling it until it's mostly done. Okay, the meat looks pretty good. It's probably like 80% done. I'm gonna go ahead and put some chicken broth in here. You just wanna sort of like that. That's about 1.5 cups. And we're gonna be simmering it in a flavorful liquid. So I'm gonna put some salt. Not a whole lot because that's chicken broth. I'm just gonna put some pepper. I haven't yet found my fresh crack, so if you want to put that in there, I do have that, but as you guys know, we just moved and I haven't found it yet. I'm going to put some chili powder. Put your favorite. You can use one of those like taco seasoning mixes, but I don't really do that, right? Mexican oregano to taste. We have granulated garlic. And I have a little cumin. You gotta have that, right? Oh gosh. Yeah. That makes it right there.
A little goes a long way.
With this kind. That is true. That smells so good. Yeah. So much better than the package. If you get the chili powder that you really love, and the cumin that you really love, and the Mexican oregano that you really love, you will never go back to the packet. Right? Boo. So we're going to leave this. We're going to have it simmering until that liquid goes down. And then we'll be able to put our Taco Tuesday together. So we're going to rinse the Taco Tuesday, clean it, wash it, all that fun stuff. And we're going to load it up with all our fixins. And when this meat is done, we'll be back. So our Taco Tuesday on Wednesday is all set up. So how we did this, we put corn in here, sour cream, shredded lettuce. We have some salsa, guacamole, shredded cheddar cheese, and in the middle here, we have our meat. So let's take some meat. I have both a corn and a flour tortilla. We want a little variety here, right? On our Taco Tuesday. So we're gonna go ahead and fill this up with a little meat. And some more meat, keeping it toasty warm in here with a little crock. And I would say out of that meat that I made, probably like 60% fit in this little crock. So just keep it on the side, a little warm. Let's make Eric's first because I know what he's gonna want on his. You want a little corn, Eric?
Maybe.
Little corn. I know he wants cheese.
Yeah, leave room for the good stuff.
I'm sure maybe a little salsa.
Hello.
Little sour cream.
Sure.
I know that's right. Do you want lettuce?
Yeah, you can stick a flake or two.
A flake or two?
Sure. A little green never hurt.
That much?
Yeah, why not?
Okay, for the Amy taco. I'm taking corn. A little bit of salsa. A little bit of guacamole. And a little bit of lettuce. Does that look good or what? And some lettuce. Whew. Okay, Eric, come on over and take a taste. Okay, Eric, so what do you think about the Taco Tuesday?
I think the little stand is kind of cute, right? Because it's holding this stuff so securely. It gave my boo a chance to make me a tasty little taco without making a mess.
I think it would be fun for kids and fun, you know. I don't think I would use it on like an everyday taco basis, but
I don't know. If you're doing a potluck, maybe it might be kind of cute, you know?
I don't know if it would hold enough for a potluck.
I don't know. Just have a potluck with like one neighbor. Right?
Taco away. Taco Tuesday. So, Cooks, it's Wednesday and Taco Tuesday, right? I think this is kind of a fun little novelty kind of thing. You definitely don't need it to make tacos. But if you want to set something up fun for your kids and have a Taco Tuesday night each week and have a nice, fun family sort of get together, I think it's a great idea. It's fun. You know, it did take a little bit of work because there's a lot of parts to wash, but, you know, it's kind of fun, so I like it. So thumbs up to the Nostalgia Taco Tuesday. I'll put links down in the description. If you like this video, please subscribe below and join us on our journey to become better cooks and fun cooks, right? Also, visit my website, amylearnstocook.com. You'll see all my recipes there. And catch me out on social media at facebook.com/groups/AmyLearnsToCook. We talk about kitchen gadgets and cooking and recipes all day long. You can also catch me on Pinterest and Twitter at Amy Learns to Cook. And on Instagram, I'm at Cooking with Amy. Happy Wednesday. Happy Taco Tuesday Wednesday.